What if I told you that you could make $1,000 every single month without lifting a finger? No boss, no extra job, just steady, passive income flowing into your bank account. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. And today, I'm going to show you how to achieve it step by step using dividends. In this video, I'll reveal the exact formula to build a dividend portfolio that pays you $1,000 per month, every month, on autopilot. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a stock market expert or have millions of dollars to start. But there's a catch. If you miss one crucial step, it could delay your goals by years. Dividends are payments companies make to their shareholders simply for owning their stock. Imagine investing in strong companies and getting paid every quarter or even every month just for holding their shares. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a proven, reliable method that's helped millions achieve financial freedom. But to hit $1,000 a month, you need to understand three things: how to choose the right stocks, how to reinvest wisely, and the exact math behind your goal. Stick with me because I'll walk you through it all. First, you need to focus on quality dividend-paying stocks. Look for companies with a strong history of paying and increasing dividends year after year. This is called the dividend aristocrat strategy. For example, stocks like Coca-Cola and Procter & Gamble have been rewarding investors for decades. And don't worry, I'll share my top picks later in the video, so keep watching. Now let's break down the math. To earn $1,000 a month, that's $12,000 a year. If your average dividend yield is 4%, you'll need a portfolio worth $300,000 to reach this goal. Sounds intimidating? Here's the secret. You don't need it all at once. With consistent investing, reinvesting dividends, and the power of compounding, you can achieve this goal faster than you think. I'll show you how to start even if you have just $100 to invest. A good portfolio is diversified. Combine high dividend stocks, reliable ETFs like Vanguard High Dividend Yield, VYM, and REITs for real estate exposure. For instance, VYM offers a steady yield while minimizing risks. But remember, don't chase high yields recklessly. A 10% yield may look great on paper, but it often comes with high risk. Focus on sustainable growth instead. Now, are you ready to start building your passive income machine? Hit that like button if you found this valuable, and don't forget to subscribe because I'll be diving deeper into specific stock recommendations in my next video. Also, comment below, what's your current monthly passive income goal? Let's achieve it together. Here's a teaser. In my next video, I'll reveal 5 dividend stocks that could help you double your income even faster. You don't want to miss this. Until then, remember, every dollar you invest today brings you one step closer to financial freedom.